So in this episode we will be looking at the Bioparc in Fuengirola. This is one of the best zoos on the Costa del Sol. If you are interested, planning a holiday, or simply enjoy watching these videos on the Costa del Sol and Andalusia, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of new videos. Also have a look at our website for a complete guide on what the resorts, towns, villages have to offer. All with Google Maps to direct you from your current position. The Bioparc in Fuengirola is situated near the town centre and is easy to get to. If you are driving, then have a look at our website for all the parking options in the area. The zoo is one of the biggest attractions in Fuengirola, and rightly so. The design is quite unique, working on the concept of no caged animals, and opting for a natural habitat enclosure for all of the animals with a path that weaves around the different zones. The whole complex has really been thought through and makes a visit a very educational and pleasant experience. The Bioparc is open every day of the week and costs around €20 per adult with concessions for children and elderly. For directions, parking, and tickets, have a look at our website. There is also a Google map to direct you there. If you enjoy watching these short tours on what the Costa del Sol has to offer, then please like, hit the bell, and subscribe to the channel. In the next episode we will be looking at the very popular Tuesday outdoor market in Fuengirola. Planning a holiday on the Costa del Sol, then have a look at the day trips on our website. The Costa del Sol and Andalusia has so much to see with its history, culture and natural beauty. Costa del Sol is an amazing part of the world, with amazing attractions, amazing history, amazing food, not forgetting the amazing sun, sea, and sand. To watch more videos please subscribe. And thanks for watching.